Hello everyone, welcome back. This is what we are making today, the sweet potatoes. We are making sweet potatoes in air fryer. So I'm going to use olive oil. This is my olive oil. And my black pepper. And salt. That's it. So let me mix we are going to make our ingredient first. So this is what we are going to do. I'm going to mix my maybe half a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of salt. That should be okay. We want it sweet and salty. Sweet and salty. Let me show you how I'm mixing. So this is our olive oil. That should be okay. Then I'm just going to mix it with my brush. And that's about it. Now, I'm going to poke my potatoes. Poke it a little bit. My knife is very sharp. I have to be very careful. So be careful when you are using knife. You don't want to stab yourself. That's good enough. Do the same thing. You want it soft in the inside and crisp on the outside. That should be good enough. Let's just rub it. Rub our spices. Just black pepper, olive oil and salt. You want it crisp on the outside. It's gonna be sweet and salty. Very delicious. I've done it before. It's really, really delicious. Really good. That should be okay. At 390. That's it. We'll keep an eye on it. And it's gonna take about 30 to 40 minutes. Our potatoes are done. Oh, let's see. Ready. Ready. Let me see, guys. Ooh. Look how soft. Perfect. Really good. Soft, sweet and salty. So thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with friends and family. This is it.